Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to do the wrap knot. You can do this knot with however many cords you need for your project. You're going to gather them together, and with a shorter cord you're going to start with one end facing up. Make sure a little bit sticks up above where your knot is going to be, because you have to be able to grab this cord. Then depending on how long you want your wrap knot, you're going to make a loop with the cord. And then you start wrapping. So holding this in place, wrap the cord around, making sure it's tight but not too tight, just firm enough to hold the rest of the cords in place and so that it won't fall apart. Once you get to the end of the cord, you're going to put the end through this loop. And with the top of the cord, pull the loop tight so that it pulls the bottom of the cord up through the wrapped parts, making sure that it doesn't pop out the top. So once the loop is at least halfway up the wrap knot, you can stop pulling and simply trim both ends of the cord.